How to log in to Bendigo Bank mobile banking. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So after installing Bendigo Bank application, just open the app. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now you can see the option of Set up e-banking. Just tap on it. Now you have to enter your access ID that you used while creating your account and tap on Next. Now enter your password and tap on Next. If you forgot your password, just tap on I forgot my password. Now you'll come to this website where you have to enter your access ID, your date of birth and your mobile number, then simply tap on Submit. Now after doing this step, the bank will provide you with instructions on how you can recover your account. You can follow these easy steps and simply log in to your Bendigo Bank mobile banking. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.